Salamun alaikum and welcome to another episode of QG Diaries, a program on Quranology Television QGTV. Today marks the 5th day of Ramadan 2015 and hopefully we will approach the question of who is Adam in Quran. Yesterday we actually mentioned the arch nemesis of Adam, who is Iblis. Iblis is the negative, frustrating, hopeless force in our psyches. So Adam strives to overcome this particular negative force. The Quran actually does not leave us to chance and explains who is Adam. Now, for that you have to go to chapter 7 verse 11, and I would encourage all of you to see for yourself. It says, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَاكُمْ, and verily we created you, ثُمَّ صَوَّرْنَاكُمْ, and we gave you shape, ثُمَّ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ أَسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ, then we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam. It can't get clearer than that, really. I mean, we created you, we gave you shape, then we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam. So Adam is us in our perfect form. And when we are in that Adamic condition, there are certain things which will happen to us. Let's get into that. So Adam is actually the first personality mentioned in Quran. So if you open Quran from cover to cover, you will find Adam in chapter 2, beginning with passage with ayah 30 to 39. That's the first story ever in Quran. And within this story, you will find the human condition, what human beings seek, our essence, if you like. This is also repeated in other chapters. In chapter 7, you will find the only calls to the children of Adam. So anyone who follows the Adamic path, when he reads chapter 7, he will come to understand what it is we seek as human beings. So let's look at chapter 2 verses 30 to 39. In that particular chapter, Adam is said to be taught the essence of kullaha. The word there is kullaha, and according to proximity, it refers to the angels. Angels in Arabic, the word is malaika, which means forces. Now, I believe this refers to universal forces, and human beings are given the power over these things by knowing their essence. And it's true, you can see it in real life. When we master a certain scientific principle, and then we build technologies in order to harness the power of that particular principle, then that brings benefit to us. However, we can also use it for destruction, and this is possibly what happened to Adam. So Adam begins his life in the earthly garden. So this is the utopia which all human beings seek. If you look at other places where Adam appears, especially I would think in chapter 20, Adam is mentioned in chapter 20 as well, and there you can see the reason, or rather the traits of that garden in which Adam is. And when we compare this with our usual situation, you will find that human beings constantly seek after these fulfillment. However, because we don't know how to achieve this fulfillment, we fall by the wayside. In fact, that is actually what happened to Adam. Allah says Adam should not come close to this tree. This tree, هذه شجرة. Now, what does this tree represent? I guess that is for us to think about. I don't know quite for certain, I would think, what this tree represents. It could be that this is the tree of the bad concepts mentioned in chapter 14, verses 24 to 26. There's a tree of good concepts and a tree of bad concepts. That's just my opinion. You are most welcome to comment. So that's your introduction to Adam. Inshallah, tomorrow we will be approaching another question. I'm not very sure what it is yet. Have a good Ramadan. Bye.